What do you have, Ada?
The bread. Bread is cheese.
Bread on a tray?
It is cheese. It's broccoli.
Oh, with broccoli?
Yeah, broccoli.
Thanks. Is it for me to eat?
Yeah.
Oh.
Eat dinner.
My dinner?
Yeah.
Thank you.
My dinner.
Hey, what's on your shirt?
My wheel.
A whale, yeah, it's pretty. What color is that whale?
It's again.
Blue, actually.
The pool.
Blue, yeah. Ada, what's your name?
My ticket.
What's your name?
Ada.
Ada. How old are you?
2.
2, yeah. You are a big girl. Where's your baby?
It's baby dinner.
She's eating her dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I put the backpack.
In the backpack. You're a good mama, taking care of your baby.
Baby sleeping.
Is she sleeping?
Yeah.
She must have had a big day at the library. Was she at the library?
No, it's sleeping.
She's sleeping now. Good. Happy birthday to Ada.
Happy birthday, dear Mama.
Thank you, Ada.